Hi everyone, welcome back to pkmentor. In this video, I am going to show you how to white label the WoodMart theme and rebrand it with your own logos, names and details, all without touching any code, perfect for agencies or freelancers who want to deliver a professional branded experience to clients. So, navigate to theme settings, white label and enable the option white label. In the theme name field, enter your custom theme name. I want to add pkmentor. And here is the option you want to hide pages, for example theme license page, pre-built website page and change log page and theme admin bar menu and theme setting hints. And this here you can add your custom logos instead of WoodMart in the dashboard sidebar and dashboard header logo and in the appearance screenshot. And here I want to add some custom icons, and this is for dashboard logo. And for the appearance screenshot, then we go to appearance themes like this. I want to add some custom image instead of the WoodMart theme. You can now personalize the dashboard title and intro text that appears under dashboard WoodMart. Use this space to describe your brand and add a welcome message. Here you can add the welcome page text that appears in dashboard WoodMart and then save the option. And then refresh the page and see the changes. If I go to WoodMart, here you can see this is welcome page and this is the logo, and this is changing fine. And that's it, you have now rebranded and white labeled the WoodMart theme professionally. Like this video if you found it helpful, comment below. If you have any questions, subscribe to pkmentor for more WordPress and WooCommerce tutorial. Thanks for watching.